Australia has some of the finest and freshest ingredients in the world, yet a lot of children still don't know what certain vegetables are or where their food actually comes from. Multi-award-winning chef Peter Shepherd, who runs one of Greater Sydney's finest family dining destinations, has stepped in to share his knowledge.
I love the teamwork, the camaraderie, and the dedication that goes into making great food.
It's this passion and creativity that I want to share with the younger generation.
Each episode, I'll be taking 2 local kids on a culinary adventure here in my chef's kitchen.
This is Foodie School.
Today we're making fish and chips, and I'm joined by Elias and Hannah. So while I'm going to cut the fish, you guys are going to look after the chips, and we're going to do it a little bit differently today to make it something that's a bit healthy for you and still delicious, all right? So I've got 3 vegetables here. We're going to do...
Carrot.
Excellent.
Potato.
Close. Sweet potato. Kumara. Fantastic. And what about these bad boys?
Banana. A green banana.
Green bananas or cooking bananas. These are plantains. All we need to do with the plantains is cut the little ends off, peel them like a banana. You're going to grab your peeler and you're going to be really careful and watch your fingers, and all you're going to do is peel off big runs like that. While she's doing that, you're going to be doing the same with our carrots. So all we're going to do with the carrot is run it straight down. And while you guys are doing those vegetables, I'm going to get on with this fish. With any boning or fish filleting, you want to be following the bones, not trying to cut through the bones. So Hannah, what is it about fish you don't like?
Tastes like weird.
Tastes weird? What about the smell? You love the smell?
No.
And unfortunately, you're going to have to touch the fish. Do you want to say goodbye to this bit?
No.
What about you?
Farewell, my
Haven't you seen
friend.
Rex Hunt when he does the kissy bit? Just take the big strips of carrot, run them in the oil, and then back up onto the tray like that. And you're going to do the same with the plantain. What's the worst fish you've ever eaten? What's the yuckiest fish?
Tuna. And the one my mum makes is disgusting.
Last thing we've got to do is we've got to get our fish ready to go in the oven, okay? So we're going to put the crumb on these. Show you the first one, and then you guys are going to rock
There's
it,
a
okay?
fly on it.
There's a fly on it.
Okay. All right, off you go. What does it feel like?
Squishy.
That's it. Pass it across, drop it in the flour. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle the top of all of them with a little bit of parmesan. Yeah, come on, a bit of like this one. So this is going to go in the oven. We're going to serve it with lemon and tartare sauce. It's going to be so good, even someone that doesn't like fish is going to enjoy it.
I don't think so.
So what we're going to do is put a little pile of our plantain chips, our carrot and sweet potato chips. Grab the fish out for me. Okay, and the last thing we're going to put on there is a bit of our lovely tartare sauce.
Looks like porridge.
It looks like what?
Porridge.
Over to you. Go on, you can do it. Don't be too scared. What do you think? Good? Find you the teeniest, tiniest little piece. No, not sold on that one. Have some vegetable bit. Happy with the chips?